just wanted to let you guys know that God loves you, and if you don't believe, He still loves you. Hiya, it's your girl Beauty.K, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Today in this video, I am going to be doing a hair mask treatment following with a deep conditioning treatment. So in the hair mask, I had put together the Amla powder and my black castor oil and mango strengthening hair oil, and I also mixed it together with some water. It's just like a Amla paste. So I'm going to be doing that for the hair treatment, and then for the deep condition treatment, I'm going to be using my product, the black castor oil and mango strengthening deep conditioner, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply these things to my hair, and I hope this helps you. I hope you're able to use this for whenever you need it. Well, first I am going to wash my hair because you want to make sure your hair is saturated with water before doing this hair mask. Okay guys, so that is as wet as it can get. So now I am going to be detangling my hair just so that I'm able to twist my hair before applying the hair mask, just so that my hair is not in my way or anything, because you can see my hair is extremely thick, so I need to have it out of my way so that I'm able to apply the hair mask thoroughly. This is a very good detangle brush. I am not going to the brush. Sorry guys, don't really care for it. So if you have like curly hair, your hair can tend to knot up really easily, so you really have to make sure you're detangling before applying these products to your hair, especially thick hair as well, I will say. Really soft. So I'm going to be using these hair clips just to keep my hair out of the way. Doing this other side, just in case you guys don't know why I'm detangling again. It's because like my hair is very thick. Like I want this hair mask to fully go through each and every strand of my hair, so I have to make sure that it's very detangled before applying. Okay, so I got my hair parted into 6 sections, and now I'm going to be applying the hair mask. This is the Amla powder and black castor oil and mango strengthening hair oil. with water mixed. So this is like an amla paste. Just so you guys can see it more clearly. This don't smell too good. I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb, just so that when I'm applying the hair mask, it's just going through my hair thoroughly. I love using a comb for this, but that's just me. It has a real thick consistency. That's how you want it to look, okay? Not too watery. Make sure it's spread evenly through the hair. I don't know if you guys can see, because it kind of blends in with my hair. Okay, y'all, so now I'm finished with the Amla hair treatment, and I'm going to be waiting at least 1 hour to rinse it out. Now I have my shower cap on. I'll be right back. You guys will see the final results, and I hope it comes out good. All right, y'all, I am back. Did y'all miss me? Probably not. So now I'm going to be taking this off, and we're gonna see how this come out. Y'all, do not judge me. This is my very first time trying this method, so I don't know how it's gonna come out. So off camera, I had applied a little bit more of the hair treatment because I didn't feel like it was covering all of my hair. Like my tips were not fully covered with the treatment. So yeah, we're gonna see. All right, time to wash this out. My curls popping. It's giving. I'm going to continue to try this treatment because listen, anything to make my curls pop, anything for the curls, okay? Time to use the black castor oil and mango strengthening deep conditioner, and this is the one that I made. This is made with amla powder and rosemary oil and other herbal ingredients. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description as well. Just so luxury. I'm just gonna quickly run this through my hair just to bring that moisture back to my hair. Just to tell you guys a little bit about my deep conditioner, it is very good for those who have like extremely thick hair, curly hair, coily hair. So like I'll say 3A to 4C hair. This is a perfect deep conditioner because it strengthens your hair, strengthens all your curls as well. And you can expect your hair to be like fully moisturized. I'm talking like when you're finished using it, listen, you're gonna be able to run your hands right through it. And that's how like moisturized my deep conditioner is, because the ingredients that's inside of it, top tier, okay? And the price is very like reasonable. It's, I believe it's $14.99. And that's not bad for a deep conditioner. That's very like affordable, because there's other brands that are way expensive, but you know, I'm pretty humble with my prices. So if you're interested, don't forget to click the link in my bio, or you can look at the description for it as well. And also, if you have like brittle hair, dry brittle hair, this deep conditioner will repair that. Like all of your hair is gonna go back to how it was before. Like it'll go back to its natural state. So say you probably damaged your hair with bleach or any harsh chemicals. This deep conditioner will definitely bring your curls back to life. Like, I'm so serious. All you have to do really is leave it in for at least 30 minutes. But if you don't leave it in that long and your hair is very damaged, I don't think it's going to show you like any difference. So you want to leave it in a little longer. I love the way my hair just shrunk right back up. Like it was so lengthy and now it's like poof. But it's whatever, because listen, the more the shrinkage, the better. The more the shrinkage, the healthier. So I'm fully okay with that. As long as my hair is healthy and beautiful and just growing the way that it's supposed to, then there's no complaint. So I'm just going to put my hair inside of this claw clip and then put on the shower cap, and we'll go from there. That'll do it. So now I'm gonna put the shower cap on. And you guys will see me back here in about 15 minutes. I'm back. So now I'm going to be washing the deep conditioner out, and we'll see the final results. This is the final results. That is all that I have for this video today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great one. See you again next time. Bye.